I would like, in Gujarati.
મને જોઈએ છે.
Polite ordering. Welcome. Hey you. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Ready to sound super polite and confident? Today we unlock your polite super phrase in Gujarati.
મને જોઈએ છે.
Think of it as your friendly magic key for ordering anything. Your goal today. You'll learn to order smoothly in any cafe or call. 2 minutes in, you'll already be using it out loud. In English, I would like. In Gujarati.
મને જોઈએ છે.
Examples. I would like water, please.
મને જોઈએ છે પાણી, કૃપા કરીને.
I would like tea.
મને જોઈએ છે ચા.
I would like coffee.
મને જોઈએ છે કોફી.
Bonus words. Please equals.
કૃપા કરીને.
Thank you equals.
ધન્યવાદ.
To order equals.
ઓર્ડર કરવો.
Cafe mini dialogue. Act it out with me. Yes, talk to your phone like it's a very friendly waiter. Waiter. Welcome. What would you like? You. I would like a coffee, please. In Gujarati.
મને જોઈએ છે એક કોફી, કૃપા કરીને.
Waiter. One coffee coming right up. You. Thank you. In Gujarati.
ધન્યવાદ.
Comedy cameo. A tiny robot whirs by chanting, I would like battery, or in Gujarati.
મને જોઈએ છે બેટરી.
It's learning too. Pronunciation beats. Let's lock in the rhythm. Tap the table if you can. Say it in 4 beats.
મને જોઈએ છે.
Count it. Ma-ne, 1, 2, jo-ie, 3, chhe, 4. Chunk it.
મને જોઈએ છે.
Now connect smoothly. You. 3 reps, go. Quick drills. Your turn. Fill the dot and speak out loud. 1. Say, I would like water, please. Answer.
મને જોઈએ છે પાણી, કૃપા કરીને.
2. Say, I would like tea. Answer.
મને જોઈએ છે ચા.
3. Say, I would like to order a sandwich. Hint. To order equals.
ઓર્ડર કરવો.
Answer.
મને જોઈએ છે સેન્ડવિચ ઓર્ડર કરવો.
Culture tip. Sound warm and respectful with a tiny touch of magic. Gujarati speakers appreciate soft, polite requests. Using
કૃપા કરીને.
and
ધન્યવાદ.
with
મને જોઈએ છે.
feels friendly. Don't confuse.
મારે છે.
I have to with.
મને જોઈએ છે.
I would like. Lightning quiz. Answer out loud, no overthinking. Q1. How do you politely say, I would like, in Gujarati? A.
મને જોઈએ છે.
Q2. Translate. I would like some water, please. A.
મને જોઈએ છે થોડું પાણી, કૃપા કરીને.
Q3. What's thank you? A.
ધન્યવાદ.
Phone challenge. Imagine you're calling a restaurant, deep breath, you've got this. Start politely. I would like to make a reservation. Say.
મને જોઈએ છે બુકિંગ કરવા.
Now add your wish. A table for 2 at 7. You can follow it in English after the Gujarati opener. Your polite key is already doing the heavy lifting. Bonus swap. Coffee. Tea. Water. Say, main, joie che kofi. Main, joie che ka. Main, joie che pani, tl Latin, main, joie che kofi. Main. Joie che cha. Main. Joie che pani, tl Latin. Wrap up. You crushed it, your polite key works everywhere. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
મને જોઈએ છે.
With.
કૃપા કરીને.
And end with.
ધન્યવાદ.
This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and laughs. See you next time.